back out here. We're finally going to get the Wildcat up into the air. Something very notable about this plane is she's pure spare parts. We found a spare foam kit on eBay, bought her up so you can go ahead and just shove some electronics in her. So we have a dirt cheap build to fly.
Boy, that thing is cooking.
Oh, ow. Do it. Try to do a little bit more skill. Gauging gear?
What gear?
Theater of the mind, okay? That wind is maybe invest in better props. Or just balance it out, one of the two. Tay likes doing that. He doesn't balance, let me be honest here. Overall, the plane is fantastic. If we had a little bit more calmer weather, should have been an incredible joy to fly. I just need to put some dual rates in her, maybe lessen my throws in the elevator. And if you can find the spare foam, this is definitely worth doing. The 480, ton of power, beautiful to fly. Till next time, keep flying.
So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers.
It's so true. All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time, keep flying!